Welcome back to your German A1 journey. Let me ask you something. If someone asks, "Can you tell me about your family in German?" What would you say? In this lesson, you will learn exactly how to talk about your family. You will discover simple German words for mother, father, sister, and brother. You will learn how to describe your family using clear and short sentences. And most importantly, you will practice real-life speaking examples, so you can feel confident when using German in everyday life. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. And if you missed our earlier videos on introductions, pronouns, or sentence structure, check the links below. Now let us begin with the most important family words in German. Part 1. Key vocabulary family members. Now that you know the topic, let us begin with the most important part, the words for family members in German. These are the words you will use every time you talk about your parents, your siblings, or your children. We will start slowly. I will say each word. Then you can repeat after me. You will also see a picture and the English meaning to help you understand. Let's begin. First is Mutter. This means mother. Say it with me. Mutter. Now, Vater. This means father. Repeat again with me. Vater. Next, Bruder. This is the German word for brother. Say it with me. Bruder. Now let's learn. Schwester. This means sister. This word is longer, but not difficult. Repeat slowly. Schwester. Now let's look at a word for both parents together. Eltern. That means parents. Repeat with me. Eltern. In German, people often say Oma for grandma. It's a sweet and friendly word. Repeat again. Oma. And for grandfather, we will say Opa. Say it again. Opa. Now 2 more important words. Kind. That means child, when there is just one kid. And Kinder. This means children, more than one kid. Repeat again with me. Kinder. And one last easy word. Baby. Yes, it is the same in English and German. Just say it as you already know. Baby. Great work! You have now learned the most important German words for family members. These words will help you in every part of this lesson, and in real conversations too. Next, let us see how to use these words in full, easy sentences. Part 2. Describing your family, short sentences. Now that you know the most important family words, let us put them into real, useful sentences. These are short and simple, perfect for beginners. Listen carefully. I will say the German sentence first, then tell you what it means in English. After that, you can repeat with me. Let's begin. Das ist meine Mutter. This is my mother. We use das ist to say this is, and meine Mutter means my mother. Repeat after me. Das ist meine Mutter. One more time. Das ist meine Mutter. Das ist mein Vater. This is my father. Here we say mein Vater because Vater is masculine. In German, mein is used for masculine nouns and meine for feminine nouns. Say it with me. Das ist mein Vater. Ich habe einen Bruder. I have a brother. Ich habe means I have. Einen Bruder means a brother. Repeat. Ich habe einen Bruder. Say it again. Ich habe einen Bruder. Ich habe eine Schwester. This time we say eine Schwester. I have a sister because Schwester is feminine. Let's say it together. Ich habe eine Schwester. Once more. Ich habe eine Schwester. Mein Vater heißt Thomas. My father's name is Thomas. The word heißt means is called or is named. So we say, my father is called Thomas. Repeat after me. Mein Vater heißt Thomas. Meine Mutter heißt Julia. My mother's name is Julia. Now with meine Mutter, we use the same pattern. Say it slowly with me. Meine Mutter heißt Julia. Ich habe 2 Kinder. I have 2 children. You can also use numbers to describe your family. Zwei means 2. So this sentence means, I have 2 children. Repeat. Ich habe 2 Kinder. Great work! You have now learned how to describe your family using real German sentences. Now let us learn how to use little but powerful words like my, your, his and her. These are called possessive adjectives. Part 3. Possessive adjectives, short introduction. Now a quick but important idea. How to say my, your, his, and her in German. For family words, you use my for mine with masculine nouns and meine with feminine nouns. For example, mein Vater means my father and meine Mutter means my mother. You also say your, dein, and deine. His, for sein, and seine. Her, for ihr, and ihre. Don't worry, we will learn more about these words in a future lesson. For now, just remember, these small words help show who something belongs to. Part 4. Speaking Practice Family. Now it's your turn to practice talking about your family. Listen carefully to this conversation. After each sentence, pause and repeat out loud. Let's begin.
Hallo, kannst du mir deine Familie vorstellen?
Ja, gern. Zuerst meine Mutter. Sie heißt Maria.
Und dein Vater?
Mein Vater heißt Thomas. Er arbeitet als Lehrer.
Hast du Geschwister?
Ja, ich habe einen Bruder und eine Schwester.
Wie heißen sie?
Mein Bruder heißt Max und meine Schwester heißt Anna.
Wie alt sind sie?
Max ist 12 Jahre alt und Anna ist 9.
Wohnen deine Großeltern auch bei euch?
Nein, aber meine Oma und mein Opa wohnen in der Nähe.
Das ist schön. Danke für die Vorstellung.
Now it's your turn. Try to say the sentences about your own family. Congratulations! You have taken an important step in your German learning journey. Now you can confidently ask, how are you? In German, both formally and informally. This is not just learning, it's speaking German with confidence. If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe and join our friendly community of learners. We have many more videos coming, covering grammar, vocabulary, listening, and real-life speaking practice. In the next video, you will review everything through full conversations so you can speak naturally and fluently. And if you missed any previous lessons, don't worry. Check the links in the description below. Dankeschön. And see you next time. Tschüss.